Hello, kindergarteners. Let's continue to make numbers together. We are composing and decomposing numbers. All right, today we're going to use dominoes. So if you have dominoes at home, this is a great activity for you to do to practice composing and decomposing numbers using the dots on the dominoes. And I'll show you how. All right, I'm going to grab my pen and I'm going to count the dots on the first side of the domino. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my first number in my math sentence is 4. And how many dots on the side of the domino? Just one. So that will be my second number. So far, my math sentence is 4 and 1 make. What is 4 and 1 more? If you count on, that is a math strategy that you can learn how to do. We know there is 4 here, so we say 4. We don't have to count them again. We know there is 4 there. So 4 and 1 more. What comes after 4? 5. 4 and 1 make 5. All right, let's try it again. All right, now I have a different domino. How many dots on the first side of the domino? 1, 2. So I am going to write my first number is 2 in my math sentence. And how many dots again on the other side of the domino? 2 again. So I'm going to write 2 again. So far my sentence says 2 and 2 make blank. What does 2 and 2 make? This is another math strategy, boys and girls. It's called doubles. When the number is the same, it is called doubles. So 2 and 2. And a lot of times, it's fun to memorize your doubles. So I know that 2 and 2 make 4. But if you were not sure, if you didn't have that memorized, you could count on, you say 2, 3, 4. All right. 2 and 2 make 4. Let's do one more. All right. How many dots on this side of the domino? This is another doubles you could figure out. I see 1, 2, 3, and then there's 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3. That's a doubles problem. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know now that 3 and 3 make 6. So our first number is 6 for this side of the domino. How many dots on the other side of the domino? Just 1. So that will be our second number. We will write a 1 there. All right, say it with me. Do some math talk. 6 and 1 make blank. Do you know the answer? That's where we can use that counting on strategy again. You know there's 6 here. We wrote that. So we can count on 1 more onto 6. So we say 6, and then 1 more is, what comes after 6? 7. All right, say the whole math sentence for me. 6 and 1 make 7. Good. Now we're going to do some couple other problems that are a little different. Now we have the total number. We have a 5. Now we need to put the dots on the domino so that make 5. So one side we'll put dots on, and then the other side, and then both sides together make 5. So I think I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3. And boys and girls, you can do this on a piece of paper very easily, all on your own. You can make a rectangle. You can divide that rectangle, and on one side you put a number of the dots and then put a different number on this side, and then you'll make that number. So I have 3. So how many more dots do I need on this side to make 5? 3. I bet you know it. You are all such good mathematicians in my class. Sometimes I use my fingers if I can't figure something out. So I know there's 3, and now I'm going to count up to 5. 3, 4, 5. Is it okay to use your fingers? Absolutely. It is okay. Or you can use counters, your little bag of counters to help you. Either way. So now I'm going to draw 2 more dots on this domino. And now my domino is showing 5. All right, let's try it again. Now my number is 3. So I have to show 3 on my domino. So I'm going to start out and I'm just going to make 1 dot. Okay? How many more do I need to make 3? If I have 1, count with your fingers or your counters. Say 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I have up? I have 2 fingers. So that tells me I'm going to make 2 dots on this domino, and then I will be showing 3. Okay? All right. On Seesaw, I'm going to have dominoes for you to practice. And I'm even going to put some harder ones on there. I'm going to go up to 10 at least, maybe a little higher. And I'm going to challenge you to do a little bit more difficult math with composing and decomposing. I know you can do it, but you can use your fingers, you can use your counters, or you get help from mom and dad. All right. Good job, mathematicians.